love just learning more about tikanga behind, about everything Te Ao Māori, because I don't really know much about that. I go to a mainstream kind of school and we don't really have a very strong Māori department, so I'm really glad that I came. I feel like I'm bursting with knowledge and I can't wait to tell my Pākehā friends and
having to trust the person around you, so we did a lot of team building at the beginning of the noho, so we would end up knowing each other and we would be able to rely on each other to know what we were doing. Real fun experience and would be great to do again.